Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have VECHAIN VET daily updates, so let's see where are we going. Of course, can we go even higher and look for our next price targets? Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. So stay tuned and join in. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. So try it out, and of course join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. And we are a family that helps each other every day. We help our members and we respect our members. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to our Fibonacci retracement level, starting from this bottom to this top right here on 29th June at 9.5 almost cents, because I wanted to find major support levels as we go on back. And we hold the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. You can see here the 7.3 around there cents. We find some huge sell pressure. Now we want to see whether we can go higher. So I will draw my Fibonacci retracement starting from the top to the bottom to identify major resistance levels. And here we are. We have our first at 7.7 around there, 7.8, 8.1 cents. And then as we move forward, 8.3, and you can see the 0.618, the 8.6, right? So eventually we have these as our price targets, and we have the support level at 7.2 cents. In case everything goes wrong, we have the minus 0.236, the 66.6 cents for VECHAIN. So right here you can see that the volume is decreasing a little bit for VECHAIN. All the way we had a minor pump up when we reached the 9.5 cents, but in overall it is decreasing, and the MACD is having it is doing okay. It is doing okay because, guys, we need to have some higher low pattern. Therefore, this is our low right here. We couldn't cross, we couldn't have a bearish cross in our pump up on VECHAIN, and now we formed another low right here. We had a bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line. And now what we are looking forward to is to move upwards above this the previous high for the MACD in the 4-hour frame, because we care about higher lows and higher highs in the 4-hour frame. So let's go now right now to VECHAIN Tether USD. You can see right here that we are finding the 20-day MA as a resistance level for VECHAIN right now on the 4-hour frame VECHAIN USDT chart, and you can see that the RSI is between 30 and 70, not an oversold situation. For VECHAIN, guys, we had an extremely oversold situation right here, but we are getting upwards again above the 100, so we don't have minus 100, sorry guys, so we don't have any oversold situation right now. And according to the stochastic RSI, we have an overbought situation right here. But I mostly check the commodity channel index and the RSI, afterwards the stochastic RSI, because the stochastic RSI is more sensitive to the price action, and therefore sometimes, guys, we just make a little bit small correction due to the stochastic RSI and then move forwards upwards. So nothing important right there. Okay, so let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see we are getting the top line of the Bollinger Bands closer to the bottom line. This is good actually, guys, because we expect the volume to increase. We are getting into a squeeze point, as we call in the Bollinger Bands, and we expect the volume to increase and go further upwards. Okay, so according to the Bollinger Bands, we are good, but of course we are in the middle. If we were at the bottom, we would be better, because at the bottom, you know, we have a buying opportunity. Let's go to the SSL HYBRID. On the SSL HYBRID, of course, you have the buying opportunity right here. We had a selling opportunity right there, guys, for VECHAIN, the red arrow here. So we had to short our positions. We could make a little bit of a profit. Nice work for the SSL HYBRID right there for this index. And you can see, guys, this indicator is showing us some good buying opportunities and some good selling opportunities, but you shouldn't always check one indicator. You should combine all the indicators first and afterwards make your decision, right? So therefore, guys, on the commodity channel index, you can see the RSI. We are still above, a little bit above the 30 for the RSI, and a little bit above the minus 100 for the day in the daily frame. So eventually, guys, the stochastic RSI is going down into an oversold situation. That is good on the daily frame. It is very hard now to go beyond the 6 cents we went up on 22nd June. Okay, so therefore guys, let's go a little bit to the VECHAIN Bitcoin. After going all through the USDT charts, you can see that VECHAIN Bitcoin, we need to outperform, we need to start outperforming Bitcoin, but the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, although both of the other risk metrics, the RSI and the commodity channel index, is not in an oversold situation, but not in an overbought situation as well. Therefore guys, we had an oversold back on 9th July for VECHAIN, so we expect maybe we can go higher, right? Maybe we can form right now a little bit of a double bottom right here and go upwards for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart right there, as you can see. And we need the MACD, guys. The MACD, we had the bullish cross right here on the 4-hour frame, but it isn't enough, right? We need further distance, but this is good, guys, that we had a bullish cross. Therefore we need to go upwards for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. And let's see now the VECHAIN Bitcoin on the daily frame. As I talked about, guys, the double bottom that we need to have and then go upwards. We are just holding the support level, which is good, but if we fall down from this support level right here, guys, let me put a price label so you can see more clearly. The 0.50 is 206, then we are going down. Okay, so you can see the commodity channel index is above the minus 100, the RSI, the RSI is above the 30. So what we are seeing here is a lower high pattern. We want just to see and go above, making a higher high pattern, and of course surpassing these resistance levels for the daily RSI right here. According to the daily stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation. The MACD looks a bit indecisive, right? We are going upwards. Now we are getting close. The blue line is getting close to the signal line right here. So we don't know where are we going. But let's go to the price analysis and let's see if we are forming here a triangle with lower highs. And from our previous low right here, we go to the next low, and maybe we potentially from now on go to 8 cents and getting into a squeeze point where we will decide whether we go upwards or downwards. And it will be very, very good, guys, if Bitcoin can go upwards, because I believe VECHAIN will follow the Bitcoin trend and will go upwards, surpassing here this resistance top trend line right now. And the good part is that we are maybe forming a double bottom right here, and then we can move upwards. Let's see a little bit the RSI and the commodity channel index. Both of these indexes are not in an oversold situation, therefore we don't have a clear buying opportunity, but they can grow more, right? The commodity channel index as well can grow more, you can see that. And of course the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, but we don't care so much about the stochastic RSI as we care about the commodity channel index, guys, and the RSI. Although sometimes, guys, the stochastic RSI might find us some good selling opportunities, but here, as you can see, we approached the bottom at on 7th July, guys. You can see, and we didn't have any high risk involved in all of the three risk metrics. So what happened right there is the Bitcoin that were actually in an overbought situation only on the stochastic RSI. So the stochastic RSI, sometimes it is very, very good, guys, on identifying where the top is for the short term. Sometimes this is the only indicator that goes in an overbought situation, while the other indicators remain silent right there, and they just neither the commodity channel index went into an overbought situation right here, and we had a very, very huge sell pressure. So we want to see right now if we can eventually go above the 50-day EMA, the red line you can see here for the Bitcoin, because we are finding some huge resistance and we can't go above. I am a pretty cautiously optimistic for VECHAIN, guys. I believe we can go higher, and our next price target is the 8 cents, the 8.3 around there, and of course our 0.618, the 8.6 cents for VECHAIN. I believe we can maybe have a swing high over to the 8 cents, and afterwards we will see about that. I am optimistic about VECHAIN that it can do it. It can go further above right now, and it can have a swing high towards the 8 cents. So this is our next price target. In case, guys, you have missed the opportunity, or you have bought in an around there, guys, or even higher, then I suggest you never to sell in when you are in a loss, because then you will build your character, you will build up discipline and patience. Never sell when you are in a loss. Just if you want to minimize your loss, just buy when we dip down, okay? But never sell when you are in a loss. You need to have this buying strategy. You need to have this buying strategy to just have all the time profits. Never FOMO into one price. Always stay positive, smile guys, and patience. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. So these are our next price target for VECHAIN. We are hoping that Bitcoin will go above and break the 50-day EMA right now. We are going into an overbought situation for the commodity channel index for Bitcoin. Not yet, but we are going according to the commodity channel index, but we have some room to grow. If we want to grow, we can grow furthermore for Bitcoin, and we hope that maybe we will be going upwards above the 70. So for VECHAIN, this will mean that we can go to 8 cents around there. For VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, guys, let's hope that this is the start of an upward of a swing high in order to outperform Bitcoin, therefore go easier to the 8 cents, our first price target right there. Thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription if you want. You can get easy profits, and of course I have the link in the description down below. Join guys our Telegram group chat, also the link is in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.